Hello, Exoplaneteers. This is Carlos with the EMAC Science Support Team, and today I am going to walk you through the EMAC website. So, what is EMAC? EMAC is a catalog repository and integration platform for modeling and analysis resources focused on the characterization of exoplanet environments. EMAC is a key project of SEEC. SEEC being the Sellers Exoplanet Environments Collaboration. SEEC is a multidisciplinary effort to study the diversity of exoplanets. So we're just going to hop right in and let's go ahead and start off with our categories. So over here on the left-hand side, you can see we have a couple of different categories for all the tools that are listed on EMAC. So say we want to, I don't know, maybe do some stellar modeling. You can go ahead and click on stellar models and it will only show you tools with the stellar model category. Now, if you want to do maybe stellar models and for whatever reason you got to do some model fitting in there too, you can click on both of those and it'll show you both tools for model fitting and tools for stellar models. You can use this to narrow down your search. Say you want to watch all the tools, you can just simply hit reset and you're back to seeing all the tools. If you need some help defining what all these categories mean, you can check out our category description below and it'll show you a brief description for each category. Now moving right along, we also have a lot of buttons on some of these tools. So for example, we can just go to the top, this AAS time series read in and manipulate time series in AstroPy. This resource has 3 buttons. The first one being the discuss button. If you hover over these buttons, they will show you exactly what they do. So discuss will take you to the discussion board of whatever tool you're using. So for example, I already have it loaded up. This is the discuss button link for AAS time series. And as you can see, it's a lot of troubleshooting errors, and you can use the discuss option to directly ask questions to the creators of these tools. Over here we have the about. Sorry, my face is in the way. The about button will take you to a link where the creators of the tool have written a little paragraph about what exactly the tool does. Now going back, you can also hit download, and as you can see right there, this will take you to the place where it'll show you how to download whatever tool you're looking at. For example, this AAS time series, it's a simple pip install AAS time series, which those are the best, honestly. Moving right along, there's other buttons we can look at too. We're going to go down to Atmo. So Atmo has all those same buttons plus a couple others. So this ADS button, this will show you how many times this tool has been cited on the ADS website. So again, I already have it preloaded in. This takes you to, this is actually the paper that was written, that was originally written with this tool. And as you can see, it's been cited 13 times, and here it is, ADS 13. So it kind of gives you an idea of how many people are using these tools and how often people are using them successfully. Now over here, demo, this will take you to our demos. This is our YouTube page. Make sure to follow and subscribe. And this is a demo made by Nick. He was also part of the science support team. Moving right along, we have this related resources. Related resources, it will show you other tools that are related to whatever tool you're looking at. So for example, Atmo Generic Grid, it has a couple of related resources. It has 2 actually. So this kind of helps you get an idea of how the tool has evolved and how it relates to other tools. It's really, really useful. And last but not least is the launch button. So this button will actually take you to the web interface for whatever tool. Now, not all the tools have them, but you guys can actually make a difference there. And I'll show you how here in a bit. So if we click launch, this will take you to the web interface for this tool. So this is Atmo Generic Grid. Nick, he made a demo to show you exactly how to use this. So yeah, make sure you take advantage of that. Now, the next thing I want to talk to y'all about is this button right here, this copy link to clipboard. Say you have friends that want to use whatever tool, and they're too lazy to Google it themselves. Just pretend. You can click this, it'll copy it for you, and then simply paste, and it'll take you back to that tool. Yeah, pretty cool. So next thing we want to look over is up here, these tabs. So what do these tabs do, right? Home, obviously we're on the home page. Other resources. So these are tools or resources not directly hosted on EMAC, but still very important to planet characterization. So you guys can go ahead and check those out. Another big important tab right here is submit a resource. So this, anyone in the whole world can submit a resource to us, and someone from our science support team will get in touch with you. All you have to do is fill out the form, so resource name, resource subtitle, what version, who to credit, and if you guys have any questions, you can email the science support team, or you can even hit us up on Twitter, and we'll help you fill this out. So you can put in your logo, you can attach a link that when you click on your logo, it takes you to the link of what so-and-so. You can even suggest other categories. If you have a tool that you think doesn't quite match with the categories we have, you can take advantage of this option. So yeah, so really it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and fill this out, your name, your email, and someone from the science support team will be in touch with you shortly. Moving right along, FAQ, in case you didn't know, that means frequently asked questions. So these are all the questions that people will tend to ask, and if you see that your question is on here, again, feel free to email us or hit us up on Twitter. Feedback. This is actually very, very important for us. So we strive for excellence here at EMAC. I actually had a bowl of excellence for breakfast this morning. It was delicious. And we want to make sure that we are coming up with the best platform for y'all to use. We want to make sure that we are creating the best demos for y'all you, the users, for y'all to understand how to use all of these tools. So please, please, please be critical of us. We want to get better. We want to be the best we can be. So yeah, share your feedback with us. We would love to hear from you. You can tell us what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong. You can even suggest tools that we should go about recruiting. Over here, this vote. So here, as I was speaking earlier about making web interfaces for all these different tools, you can come here and you can actually vote on whatever tool you would like to see made into a web interface. You can use the categories to kind of reduce your options, and you just go ahead and vote, click on a few, and hit submit, and that's it. Simple as that. Now, our team. So our team is very diverse. We have a collection of astronomers, computer scientists, engineers, software developers, web developers, tons of people from all over the place. We work very hard. We work together, and I think we do a great job of bringing this cool website for y'all to use. So shout out to the team. Lastly, our news. So here you guys can stay up to date with everything that's been going on with EMAC since kind of the beginning. So every month we share an update and we share it to our RSS feed. If you have RSS installed, you can click this button and you will be automatically subscribed to our RSS. So that is the EMAC webpage. If you guys have any questions, again, help us improve EMAC. This is our email, gsfc-emac@mail.nasa.gov. You can also follow us on Twitter. This is our Twitter page at Exoplanet Models, where we give you guys updates every month, and we also like to share our demos here as well. And additionally, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here we have all of our demos in both English and Spanish. We hope to add more language. Well, the closed captioning is in English and Spanish. We hope to add more languages in the future. We just got to learn them. And, you know, that's not the easiest thing in the world, but we're trying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short demo. This is the EMAC webpage. Please use it. Please use these tools. Check them out. There's a lot of useful information here. All these tools make science a lot easier. They save tons and tons of time, especially with data reduction and trying to, you know, when you're coding, sometimes you have a letter that should be uppercase when it's lowercase. this, you can get rid of all of that with these cool tools. It's the golden age of exoplanetary science, and we want to make sure that we're contributing, and this is our little 2 cents. So yeah, happy exploring, everybody. Bye.